Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I'll do it.
Right on, hey. Man, can't thank you enough. I had so many people just cruise on by, and
Dude,
no one wants to help nobody these days, it seems.
I live on a farm. Farmer culture, we help each other.
Yeah. My stepdad lives out in Eastern Oregon, and they're the state, like a small town, 200 people, and everybody knows everybody, helps everybody out, and I really wish it was like that here. So
I wish it was too. I kind of wish it was too, but sometimes it's like you got to be that person.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, buddy. We are golden. All right, man. Thanks again.
So what we have here is that awesome interaction with somebody who takes the time to help somebody out. My XR650L at a gas station after I pumped gas refused to start. The battery had just died. I had asked several people, including the gas station, if they had jumper cables or a means to help me get my bike started, and just no one seemed to be able to help. Now that's not their fault. That's not, their problem. That's my problem. My insurance company would be able to send a tow truck to help me out, but it was more than an hour out. This young man took the time out of his day to search his truck, which was his mom's truck, took the time to find some jumper cables. When he was done conducting his business, helped me get my bike started, and he even stood around and waited for me to take off. After I got my bike started, I kind of figured, go ahead, man, take off, I'm good. But he actually stuck around to make sure that I got off and was on my way home. Just goes to show there are a lot of good people out there, and I wish I had gotten his name and had a much better way to take care of thanking him. I didn't want to show his face out of respect, because in my excitement to get the bike started again and back on the road, I forgot to ask if he cared to show up on my video. He did scan my QR code, so he's able to access our channel, and I hope he sees this, because I am forever grateful. Thank you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. All right.